Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Practice Podcast.
We are happy you are here. You are doing a great job already.
Today's topic is very simple and very important.
We will talk about your goals.
Goals are things you want to do.
Goals are dreams with a plan.
Before we start, please like and subscribe.
And share this podcast with a friend.
Let's begin. What is a goal? Stephanie, what is a goal?
A goal is something you want to achieve.
Good. For example, my goal is to learn English.
Let's repeat together.
My goal is to learn English.
Again.
My goal is to learn English.
Great job.
Another example, my goal is to get a good job.
Repeat.
My goal is to get a good job.
Nice.
Simple sentence pattern. Use this pattern. My goal is to plus verb.
Listen. My goal is to study.
My goal is to work.
My goal is to travel.
Now you try.
Say, my goal is to learn English.
Pause. Good job. Talking about daily goals.
Some goals are small.
Some goals are big.
Small goal example, my goal is to wake up early.
Repeat. My goal is to wake up early.
Another one, my goal is to drink more water.
Repeat. My goal is to drink more water.
Very nice. Asking about goals.
Now let's learn a question.
Say, what is your goal?
Repeat. What is your goal?
Again.
What is your goal?
Great.
Short dialogue. Listen. What is your goal?
My goal is to learn English.
Nice.
Now you listen again.
What is your goal?
My goal is to learn English. Now you speak.
What is your goal? Pause.
Good job.
Using I want to. Another easy way. I want to plus verb.
Example, I want to speak English.
Repeat. I want to speak English.
Another, I want to get a job.
Repeat. I want to get a job.
Nice.
Connecting sentences. You can combine I want to speak English. My goal is to speak English.
Listen again. I want to speak English. My goal is to speak English.
Your turn. Pause. Excellent. Using I will. I will study every day.
Repeat.
I will study every day.
Another. I will practice speaking.
Repeat. I will practice speaking.
Great job.
Mini conversation. Listen. What is your goal?
My goal is to learn English.
How will you do it?
I will practice every day.
Listen again. What is your goal?
My goal is to learn English.
How will you do it?
I will practice every day.
Now you try. What is your goal? Pause.
How will you do it?
Pause. Good job. Talking about personal goals.
Ranald, what is your goal?
My goal is to help students learn English.
Nice goal.
Thank you.
My goal is to speak clearly and slowly.
Great goal. Common goals.
Let's say some common goals.
My goal is to lose weight.
My goal is to save money.
My goal is to get healthy.
Repeat after us.
Pause. Good. Positive encouragement.
You are learning.
You are improving.
You are doing great.
Never give up.
Small steps every day.
Practice round. Say, my goal is blank. Pause.
Good. Say, I want to. Pause.
Nice.
Talking about short-term goals. Some goals are for today.
These are short-term goals.
Example, my goal today is to study English.
Repeat. My goal today is to study English.
Again, my goal today is to study English.
Good job.
More examples. My goal today is to exercise.
Repeat. My goal today is to exercise.
My goal today is to drink water.
Repeat. My goal today is to drink water.
Nice.
Asking about today's goal. What is your goal today?
Repeat. What is your goal today?
Again, what is your goal today? Short dialogue. What is your goal today?
My goal today is to study English.
Listen again. What is your goal today?
My goal today is to study English.
Now you answer. What is your goal today? Pause.
Good job.
Talking about long-term goals.
Some goals are big.
Some goals are for the future. We say, my long-term goal is to...
Repeat. My long-term goal is to... Example, my long-term goal is to become a teacher.
Repeat. My long-term goal is to become a teacher.
Nice.
More long-term goals. My long-term goal is to start a business.
Repeat. My long-term goal is to start a business. My long-term goal is to travel the world.
Repeat. My long-term goal is to travel the world.
Asking about long-term goals. What is your long-term goal?
Repeat. What is your long-term goal? Combine sentences. Listen. My goal today is to study English. My long-term goal is to speak fluently.
Listen again. My goal today is to study English. My long-term goal is to speak fluently.
Your turn. Pause. Excellent. Using I'm working on.
Another useful sentence, I'm working on my goal.
Repeat. I'm working on my goal.
Example, I'm working on my English.
Repeat. I'm working on my English.
Daily habits.
Goals need habits.
Habits are things you do every day.
Example. I study English every day.
Repeat. I study English every day. Another, I read for 10 minutes.
Repeat. I read for 10 minutes.
Mini conversation.
What is your long-term goal?
My long-term goal is to speak English.
What do you do every day?
I practice speaking.
Listen again. What is your long-term goal?
My long-term goal is to speak English.
What do you do every day?
I practice speaking. Now you try.
What is your long-term goal? Pause.
What do you do every day?
Pause. Great. Talking about problems.
Sometimes goals are hard.
That is normal.
You can say, it is difficult.
Repeat. It is difficult.
But I try.
Repeat. But I try.
Positive sentences. I can do it.
Repeat. I can do it.
I will not give up.
Repeat. I will not give up.
Practice round.
Say, my goal today is to... Pause.
Nice. Say, my long-term goal is to...
Pause. Good job.
Welcome back, everyone. You are doing great.
Keep listening.
Keep practicing.
Talking about why.
Now, let's talk about why.
Why means reason.
You can say, I want to learn English because...
Repeat. I want to learn English because...
Example, I want to learn English because I want a good job.
Repeat. I want to learn English because I want a good job.
Nice.
More examples. I want to learn English because I like movies.
Repeat. I want to learn English because I like movies.
I want to learn English because I want to travel.
Repeat. I want to learn English because I want to travel.
Asking why.
Why do you want to learn English?
Repeat. Why do you want to learn English? Short dialogue. Why do you want to learn English?
I want to learn English because I want a job.
Listen again. Why do you want to learn English?
I want to learn English because I want a job.
Now you answer. Why do you want to learn English? Pause. Good job. Talking about time. Let's talk about time.
You can say, I study in the morning.
Repeat. I study in the morning.
I study in the evening.
Repeat. I study in the evening.
I study at night.
Repeat. I study at night. Connect goal plus time. My goal is to learn English. I study in the morning.
Repeat. My goal is to learn English. I study in the morning.
Talking about place.
I study at home.
Repeat. I study at home.
I study in my room.
Repeat. I study in my room. Connect all. My goal is to learn English. I study at home in the evening.
Repeat. My goal is to learn English. I study at home in the evening.
Talking about small steps.
Small steps are good.
You can say, I study 10 minutes.
Repeat. I study 10 minutes. I practice speaking 10 minutes.
Repeat. I practice speaking 10 minutes.
Daily routine.
Listen. I wake up. I drink water. I study English.
Repeat. I wake up. I drink water. I study English.
Mini conversation. What is your goal?
My goal is to learn English.
When do you study?
I study in the evening.
Where do you study?
I study at home.
Listen again. What is your goal?
My goal is to learn English.
When do you study?
I study in the evening.
Where do you study?
I study at home.
Now you. What is your goal? Pause.
When do you study?
Pause. Where do you study? Pause. Great. Talking about feelings.
Sometimes you feel tired.
You can say, I feel tired.
Repeat, I feel tired.
But I continue.
Repeat, but I continue.
Positive self-talk.
I am learning.
Repeat, I am learning.
I'm getting better.
Repeat, I'm getting better. Talking about past. Yesterday, I studied.
Repeat, yesterday, I studied. Yesterday, I practiced speaking.
Repeat, yesterday, I practiced speaking. Talking about tomorrow. Tomorrow, I will study.
Repeat, tomorrow, I will study. Tomorrow, I will practice speaking.
Repeat, tomorrow, I will practice speaking. Combining, yesterday, I studied. Today, I study.
Wrap up.
Today we learned
My goal is to, I want to.
I will.
These sentences help you talk about goals.
You did a great job today.
Tell us in the comments, what is your goal?
And also tell us, what time do you wake up?
See you next time.
Keep practicing.